What's up video, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the OnePlus 8. OnePlus has finally unveiled their OnePlus 8 series devices. Two new devices has been introduced, OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. And both these devices are coming with a 48 megapixel camera sensor, a Snapdragon 865 and a 120Hz of a refresh rate. Also, one of the main highlight of that particular device is going to be the presence of 30 watt of fast wireless charging support inside, which is an amazing thing from OnePlus 8. And also OnePlus has kept their promises and announced the device under $1,000. Indeed, the full loaded Pro model phone is $999 and the base configuration is $100 below that. The vanilla OnePlus 8 starts at $700. The two new models will be available on oneplus.com starting on April 29 and will also be selling through the Amazon in the US as well. So in this video, we will be discussing about the spec sheet of OnePlus 8 Pro, which we are going to see in that particular device. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. So starting from the display of OnePlus 8 Pro, it is coming with comes with a new 6.78 inch of Fluid AMOLED display, the largest to the brand yet, and its first 120Hz of a refresh rate. The screen comes also with a 240Hz touch sampling rate to minimize input lag. The display is also coming with an HDR10 Plus support, and there is also a MEMC chip which is introduced in that particular device, which function is to convert your 24 frame per second videos to 120 frame per second videos. But OnePlus also did extensive optimization to the software to ensure that all the interface lies at 120 FPS with no lag. The pop-up camera previously Pro model is gone, replaced by a simple punch hole camera cutout present on the top left corner of the device. The OnePlus 8 Pro is the first phone by the company to feature an official IP68 rating, which means that we are now going to see water and dust resistant on OnePlus 8 devices. For years, OnePlus was saying that the wireless charging tech isn't ready. Well, finally, Rapid Charge 30 wireless has been introduced by OnePlus in their devices, and now the OnePlus 8 Pro can charge your device at 30 watt wireless charging support, which has the capability to charge your device 50% in just half an hour. There is also a reverse wireless charging support is available in that particular device. While charging is still a bit faster, the 30 watt Rapid Charge 30T goes from 0% to 50% battery in just 23 minutes. Still, the OnePlus 8 Pro houses a large 4510 mAh of a battery, up from 4000 mAh of a battery which we have seen in OnePlus 7 Pro. And the new wireless charging is about as fast as the non-Rapid Charge 30. The phone has two 48 megapixel camera sensor present on the back side of the device, and the main camera is going to be a 48 megapixel. The other 48 megapixel sensor is going to be an ultra wide which has 128 degree of field of view capability to take the shots. Also, it performs a double function as a micro camera, taking a snap at 3 cm of a distance. The third camera is going to be 8 megapixel telephoto lens, which has the capability of 3 times of optical zoom and 30 times of hybrid zoom. Whereas the fourth camera is going to be all new color filter camera, which will help the rendering of various color effects. The OnePlus 8 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 865 chipset, and the performance is further enhanced by the switching of LPDDR5 RAM, which is 30% faster than using the 20% less energy than the RAM on the OnePlus 7 series. The storage is based on UFS 3.0, which will help us to even faster read and write capabilities. The phone has boosted 5G connectivity, which means we will see a faster downloading and uploading speed. Also, the phone is coming with a Wi-Fi 6 support, which is even faster than the 5G connectivity. The OnePlus 8 Pro will cost you around $899 for the base variant of 8GB and 128GB storage. There is another variant of 12GB and 256GB of internal storage option that can cost you around $999. It will be available in new ultra blue, glacier green color as well as onyx black. So guys, overall that particular device is going to be a flagship killer device because that device is costing you a less amount of money for the spec which it has inside. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What you think about that particular device and what are your opinions of OnePlus devices. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.